Hey, welcome back to Rust Worn Home Garage. My name is Tim, and I brought this old 71 Ford out of a scrapyard. If you'd watched my previous video, you've seen I had been doing some bidding on it. I did win both of them, the 68 and the 71. I did get the old 71 drug home, and I'm going to take a look in her and let you guys see as I take a little investigation, see what I got, and I probably don't got. So stick around, let's take it out. All right, here it is. And let's just do a little quick walk around on it. As you can see, the old grill is got a little dent. Looked like they wrecked a little bit there. The bumper seems very, very straight and solid. All the lights are in it. We have something going on with the windshield wipers there up. And the windshield will need to be replaced. It is cracked. And as you see, the thing's pretty straight. We've got rust in the usual spots. It's got some great patina on it. This was a two-tone green. It is a sport custom. And, you know, back in the day, they put those bed rails on it. That was fancy back in the day. In fact, I had some on several vehicles that I owned at my age. And yes, I am in my backyard. And yes, there's an old 67 there. I do mess around with these old things. It is in the confines of my backyard. I do live in the city, so therefore I had to keep things wrapped up. As you see, the old truck's pretty straight. The glass is all in it, all intact, and pretty much all the chrome except that piece there is missing. I took a couple pieces of the other chrome off on the other side just so that it wouldn't blow off driving down the road. I did go about 3.5 hours to get this old rig. As you can see here in the bed, it's seen better days, and most of these are just like this. They're rusted out. The wheel wells all look to be intact and not no rust. And the old tailgate, man, it's in good shape. Uh, this is a Tennessee truck. It was sold Ed Meyer Ford in Memphis, Tennessee, and that's where this truck come from. So just moving right along here. I'm just kind of showing y'all the outline of it, and then we'll get into it here a little on the next video. But just kind of showing you what we got here. So let's take a look inside. I showed y'all some of the inside the other day, but I drug out the old, somebody had put old seats in here and stuff. And as you can see, I mean, it's had some varmints in it. And apparently, you know, in the 70s, the shag carpet was the deal. And the old shag carpet's in there. It's got, you know, remnants of the headliner that's still there that was cardboard, and those go pretty quick. And yeah, there it is. It does have an AM Philco radio that was factory option. I did run the vent on it. It did come with an oil gauge and an ammeter gauge, which was an option that was ordered with, and it was sold out of Memphis, Tennessee. So anyhow, moving right along here. Let's see if we can get inside the old hood power barn here. Oh. And as you see, we've had some varmints in here too. It's going to need some cleaning up under here. This truck was originally bought with came with, excuse me, a 240 6-cylinder one barrel. And at some point, someone had put and it says here 351 engine. Now, I haven't run the numbers on this yet, but I'm going to and see what year model it is and find out more about it. As you can see, they've utilized the old hood here for their nesting, and the hood is pretty much toast. As you don't know if you can see that or not. And the outside, that's a famous place. And as you see here, the inner fender wells, fenders are pretty much trash as well. So a lot of work to be done on the old truck, but it's a start. And the first thing I'm going to do is see if we can get that to run. Yeah, It looks pretty funny now, but we'll see. I've seen worse and made worse run. So I'll be making a video coming up, and we'll see if we can get this whole thing to start off. I'm gonna vacuum underneath here and get the plugs out of it. I did try to turn on it. It is not locked up, so that's a good thing. And let's just see about the old truck. We'll see y'all on the next one.